Hello YouTube, I'm David. I'm from Romania, and inspired by Scrapping for Art and Dumpster Marcus and other YouTubers, I started to scrap some electronics and other devices that they have copper, brass, aluminium, copper wire, and I want to show you real quick how I do it, what I have here, what I'm doing. I hope you like this video, so let's get started. Here you can see my copper from TV yokes, copper wire, copper pipes, also brass, all kind of keys, small stuff, also pipe fittings. Have also high grade boards, PC motherboards, also copper wire. I have a really big stack of copper wire. Next, some aluminium, all kind of aluminium. Next, low grade board. Next, we have here IC chips. I recovered this from this kind of boards. I also have CPUs, RAM. Hey, that's my baby over there. Also phones. Let me show here. I have my toolboxes. All kind of tools. Screwdrivers, hex keys, more screwdrivers, some gloves, and this is a magnet. I use it for detecting if it's ferrous or non-ferrous. So here is Cluj, Romania. So hope you like this video. There will be more videos too next time, so see you guys.